How to hide your comments on Facebook.
Hey there, Facebook users. Today, we'll be discussing a common concern: how to hide your comments from the public on Facebook. Whether you want to keep your thoughts private or simply control who can see your comments, this video will guide you through the necessary steps. So, let's get started.
Adjusting your privacy settings.
To begin, let's dive into the Facebook privacy settings and make the necessary adjustments. 1. Log in to your Facebook account. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Facebook website, and log in using your credentials. 2. Access the privacy settings. On the top right corner of the Facebook interface, you'll find a down-facing arrow. Click on it and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Settings. 3. Navigate to the Privacy tab. In the left sidebar of the Settings page, locate and click on Privacy. This will open the Privacy Settings page. 4. Modify your comment visibility. Scroll down to the Your Activity section and find the Who Can See Your Future Posts option. Click on the Edit button beside it. From the drop-down menu, select an appropriate audience, such as Friends, Except Acquaintances, or a custom list. This will ensure that your future comments are visible only to the selected audience.
Adjusting comment visibility for existing posts.
Now that you've adjusted your privacy settings for future comments, let's address the visibility of your existing comments. 1. Navigate to your profile. Click on your name or profile picture on the top left corner of the Facebook interface. This will take you to your profile. 2. Locate the Activity Log button. On your profile page, below your cover photo and bio, you'll find a menu bar. Click on the three dots at the right end of the menu bar and select Activity Log from the drop-down menu. This will open your activity log, displaying your recent activity. 3. Filter your activity. On the left side of the activity log, you'll see several filter options. Click on Comments to filter your activity log and display only your comments. 4. Adjust the visibility of your comments. For each comment, locate the privacy icon next to it. It typically looks like a globe, indicating that the comment is visible to the public. Click on the icon and select an appropriate audience, such as Friends or a custom list. Repeat this step for each comment you wish to hide.
Removing or deleting comments.
In some cases, you might want to go a step further and remove or delete certain comments altogether. 1. Navigate to the comment. Locate the specific comment you want to remove or delete. This can be on your own post or someone else's post. 2. Click on the ellipsis menu. On the right side of the comment, you'll find an ellipsis, three-dot menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. 3. Choose the appropriate action. From the drop-down menu, select either Hide Comment or Delete Comment. Hide Comment will hide the comment from everyone except the person who made the comment and their friends, while Delete Comment will remove it entirely. 4. Confirm your action. If prompted, confirm your choice to hide or delete the comment. Be aware that deleted comments cannot be recovered. That's it. By adjusting your privacy settings, modifying comment visibility for existing posts,